Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I'd like to send my very special thanks to Maher Zain for supporting and standing with East Turkistan, Uyghur and humanity. After the Chinese invader and the dictator government invaded our country, they killed, tortured, raped millions of innocent people. And in recent years, they built up concentration camps in East Turkestan and took about 3 million innocent Uyghur, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, and other Muslim people to the concentration camps. And these innocent people are being tortured, raped, killed, organ harvested, and a lot of bad things now I cannot express. And thousands of millions of children are being orphaned by taking away from their family. The situations in East Turkestan can't be imagined these days. And brother Maher Zain, we are very thankful for your message. You have a lot of fans in East Turkestan before. But now, no one can dare to listen to your songs or download your songs from the internet, and they cannot contact with you. Because all of the social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and a lot of other websites are blocked, forbidden. If the Chinese government find out someone is listening to your songs, he or she can be jailed, can be tortured, because you are Muslim and there are words like Allah, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Prophet, Quran, like that. These words are sensitive words and the forbidden words now in East Turkestan by the dictator and the invader Chinese government. So this time, all of the East Turkestan people, Uyghur, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, and the other Muslim people, very happy. We never forget this and very thankful to you. And I have a special message to Sami Yusuf. Brother, the situations are very terrible, very bad, as I mentioned. So we need your support for humanity, for East Turkestan, for Uyghur, for Kazakh, for Kyrgyz and other Muslims. We believe you support us and stand with us. We are waiting your message. Assalamu alaikum.